Christmas is right around the corner and you're still not sure about your makeup? Don't worry, I'm here to help you create this simple, easy Christmas look. Keep on watching to know how I created this look. Hi guys, I'm Amisha and today's video is going to be about get ready with me for Christmas party. Keep on watching to know the look. Starting with this Prep Set Go Primer that minimizes pores, smoothens out skin and makes my makeup stay all day long. Then I'm using this Soft Blend Liquid Concealer which is super lightweight and super hydrating. It has cucumber extracts, avocado extracts and vitamin E which calms puffy eyes and nourishes skin. To set my base, I'm using this Legit Matte Compact in the shade 115P Pinched Blush. This soft matte finish compact with SPF 15 helps even out skin tone and gives me just the coverage I need. For my eyes, I'm using this Nature Studio Kajal as an eyeliner, as you can never go wrong with a green eyeliner look for Christmas. To finish off my eye look, I'm using this I Swear by mascara to give that perfect volume to my lashes. Then I'm using this Touch and Go Lip and Cheek Tint in the shade Peachy Keen which adds perfect color of flush to my cheeks. This tint is highly pigmented and blends easily. Finishing off my look with the Twist and Go lipstick in the shade Dear Fiery as this color is perfect to match the Christmas vibe. So that's it for today's video guys. I hope you guys liked this look. If you did, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!